Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to break down for you how you can access the Zen browser in the private mode or incognito mode as it's called on other web browsers in 2026. So let us dive into this, guys. So launch the Zen browser on your device like your desktop computer or laptop, and there are two ways how you can access the incognito mode or private mode. Here on the left sidebar, guys, at the very top you'll find these three dots. And then there is the option to click into new private window, or to use the shortcut Ctrl-Shift-P, or if you're using a Mac computer, Command-Shift-P, and after that, as you can see, you will be redirected to this new window of the Zen web browser here at the bottom on your taskbar, now in the incognito mode. And you may close this, for example, by right-clicking into it and by closing the window here, or by returning to the other windows here of your Zen browser. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got something from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.